The Battle of Pollilur, also known as the Battle of Pollilur or Battle of Parambakkam, took place on 10 September 1780 at Pollilur near the city of Kanchipuram in present-day Tamil Nadu state, India, as part of the Second Anglo-Mysore War. It was waged between two forces commanded by Tipu Sultan of the Kingdom of Mysore, and Colonel William Bale of the British East India Company. The army of the East India Company surrendered and suffered a high number of casualties. It was the worst loss the British suffered on the subcontinent until Chilianwala. Tipu prevented Col. Bailey, at Guntur, from joining Hector Munro at Kanjeevaram, while Tipu's father Hyder continued the siege at Arcot. Of the 3,853 British men under Bailey's command, only 50 officers and 200 men were taken prisoner after the general massacre. Bailey was taken to Seringapatam. Aftermath: Bale and many of his officers were captured and taken to the Mysore capital at Srirangapatna. After British reinforcements from Calcutta arrived, Coote was able to stabilize the situation and counter-attack. A second battle was fought a year later in the same area where Coote defeated Hyder Ali's forces. Rockets: the Mysore rockets used during the battle were much more advanced than the British East India Company had previously seen, chiefly because of the use of iron tubes for holding the propellant. This enabled higher thrust and longer range for the missile. After Tipu Sultan's eventual defeat in the Fourth Anglo-Mysore War and the capture of the Mysore iron rockets, they were influential in British rocket development, inspiring the Congreve rocket, which was soon put into use in the Napoleonic Wars. Reference: Gott, Richard. Britain's Empire, Resistance, Repression and Revolt. London: Verso Books. p. 76. ISBN 1-84467-738-9. Retrieved 8 February 2012. A. B. Dalrymple, William. Assimilation and Transculturation in 18th-century India. A Response to Pankaj Mishra. Common Knowledge 11. 445-485. DOI 10.1215-0961754x the 11th of March 445. Retrieved 8 February 2012. As late as 1780, following the disastrous British defeat by Tipu Sultan of Mysore at the Battle of Pollilur, 7,000 British men, along with an unknown number of women, were held captive by Tipu in his sophisticated fortress of Seringapatam. James, H. M. Iftekhar, James, Jasmine. The Decisive Nature of the Indian War Rocket in the Anglo-Mysore Wars of the 18th Century. Arms and Armorate. 131-138. DOI 10.1179-174962611x13097916223244. Retrieved 8 February 2012. Captain Munro noted, around 2 or 3,000 horse and rocket men kept hovering round our main army, in order to conceal his enterprise from use. A. B. Jasanoff, Maya. Edge of Empire, Lives, Culture, and Conquest in the East, 1750–1850. New York, Knopf. p. 157. ISBN 1-4000-4167-8. Some 3,000 company soldiers were killed, while Bailey and 200 Europeans, 50 of them officers, were carried off to Seringapatam in chains. Naravane, M.S. Battles of the Honourable East India Company. APH. Publishing Corporation. pp. 173–174. ISBN 9788131,300,343. Rodham Narasimha. Rockets in Mysore and Britain, 1750–1850 AD. National Aeronautical Laboratory and Indian Institute of Science. Gallery. Bailey Dungeon, Seringapatam. Narrow passage to Colonel Bailey's Dungeon, Seringapatam. Memorial plaque at Bailey Dungeon, Seringapatam. Signboard at Bailey Dungeon, Seringapatam. Old signboard at Bailey Dungeon, Seringapatam. Stones to which prisoners were tied to Bailey Dungeon, Seringapatam. William Bailey Memorial, Seringapatam. Plaque of the William Bailey Memorial, Seringapatam.